kids, Miss Barb here with STEM Stuff. Today we're going to do 2 experiments. You can try both or you can just do one of these projects. But both of these will make rainbows. Let's start with the first. I have some Skittles here and I've arranged them, as you can see, on a circle in this plate. We're going to take some warm water and we're going to pour it right into the center of these Skittles. Pretty soon we should start to see a really neat rainbow effect. Look how the colors are spreading. What's happening is the food coloring and sugar are dissolving to create that rainbow effect. Isn't that really neat? On to the second project. You'll need a few things for this one. You'll need milk, some dish soap, some food coloring, and a Q-tip. I've put my dish soap in a little bowl to make it easier to get to. So what you want to do is take a white plate and pour some milk right into the middle, which I've already done. Then we're going to take our food coloring and we're going to make some drops close to the center. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my Q-tip and I'm going to dip it into the soap, the dish soap that I poured into this little dish. See it on the end of the Q-tip? Now we're going to dip it right into the food coloring. Here we go. Wow, look at that. And you can continue to dip it to watch the more rainbow effect. Put some more in there. Make sure you use whole or 2% milk because that's what causes the rainbow effect. It's when the fat and the milk separate. You can keep doing this. What you might want to do is squish it around and make some more rainbowy colors. Hope you had fun with these rainbow experiments. Try them on your own, but make sure you get your parents' permission. And I'll see you next